Good morning, my bunta. Good evening, my gabi. I am Peter Selvan Alvicina. I am a curious builder, a storyteller, and a student who loves turning ideas into real things. So in the next 20 slides, my Pecha Kucha, they'll get to know who I am, what drives me, what I have built, and why Sim. So enough introduction, let's get next to it. So more about me, I am Peter Selvan Alvicina. You can call me Pete, Pet, or even Silvan as my nickname. My birth date is November 23, 2003. I'm currently age 21 and I'm living here in the Philippines, Lawan Uno, Talisay City, here in Cebu City. The spark. My spark for computer science started during my high school days. I was part of a robotics team during the Intramurals 2019, tinkering with sensors and managing the software. We haven't won, but it was a fun and great experience. I was also introduced to Java, building activities and projects, hence the spark of this course. During my senior high school days, I took online courses to explore more about it, like CS50X, CS50P at edX, HTML courses, and many more. That's where I met David J. Malan, a popular computer scientist and professor. As you can also see here, this is one of my certificates I have taken this journey. Every project I work tells a story. It's not about just writing code, it's about solving problems and thinking about the people who will use it. I spend around 10 hours a day coding. I work on 10 different projects. I stay 100% curious and always with a mindset that there's always more to learn. This is one of my main projects I have built called Manage It. I have deployed it in my social account for people to use it. It is a 50-30-20 budgeting system that tracks and saves your financial goals with ease. I use Next.js for the client, Nest.js for the server, and MongoDB as the database. If you want to check it out, you can check this link. Outside of coding, I also have a life. A hobbies and interests like going to the gym to recharge my brain and be physically fit. I play sports like badminton. I like reading books, mangas, and novels, and especially I like playing games and joining esports. We won the championship during the CITU intramurals in our category as one of the example. So why Sim? Sim isn't just a tech company. It is a playground of real impact, creativity, and culture. I've seen how you turn ideas into real products that matter. I want to be part of that team, a team that builds with purpose for people that actually care about. So I really researched more about the company's work, like Abaca Eats, that sort of great food and products. Cavolo, a healthcare and clinical process with a mission making quality documentation a reality. Inspiring to do app to make user gets inspired to work with beautiful imagery and a straight to forward to do app. So I want to be part of the team to create innovative solutions like these. So why Sim? Sim is in line with my vision to grow as an individual who creates meaningful solutions that solve real-world problems. Makatabang sa mga tao, maka-inspire sa community, ug makakontribute sa mas maayong kaugmaon. I envision creating innovative solutions that is not only for show but also filled with purpose. Sim is also aligned with my mission to live a life of purpose na growth makahatag og impact sa uban. Bisan gagmay ra, my mission is to keep learning, stay curious, and to use my time and skills for something bigger. Sa akong mga buhat, I hope to bring value and positive change wherever I go. So why do I choose Sim? There's some reasons. I love learning. I'm the type of person who gets excited over figuring things out, even if it's just reading, whether it's new frameworks, design patterns, or just random tech facts. I enjoy the process of discovering something new I didn't know yesterday. I also like collaborating. Working with people who think differently is something I really, really value. I like brainstorming ideas, building on others' thoughts, and learning through teamwork. For me, collaboration is just more efficient, is more fun. And also believe that the best products are built together. I also like solving puzzles. Give me a bug, a weird edge case, or something that doesn't quite work. I'm in, 100% in. Solving problems feels like unlocking a puzzle. It's very, very frustrating at first, but in the process, it's so worth it to solve it in the end. I grow fast. I grow really, really fast. One thing I have noticed about myself, I pick things up quickly. I love challenges and I don't like staying stuck for too long. If I don't know something, I'll ask, research, and apply. I move fast and I grow even faster. What I'm passionate about myself is the ability to code. It's like my weapon that I have been sharpening throughout my high school and college years. I am also very confident in my problem solving skills since I was young. I want to test it out in the real world settings. I am also very persistent when it comes with tasks and challenges. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. No one else is. I make mistakes quite often, but I learn from it and improve myself to become a version of myself. It is a process, an opportunity. My favorite quote by Winston Churchill: success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. I want to be part of SIM. I'm seeing what SIM is all about: building meaningful products, working with passionate people, and constantly pushing ideas forward. That's the kind of environment I want to grow in. I'm ready to contribute, to learn, and be part of something that matters. I want to make cool things. I want to help build things that actually go out into the real world. Real products that solve real problems. I want to create with people who love what they do, enjoy the process, and value culture just as much as coding. That's what excites me about joining Sim. Thank you so much for your time. Whether this is the start of something or just a quick hello, I am very, very grateful. This presentation is my way of saying this is me and I love to join you in building next. Whether it's cold or crazy ideas, I am